Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the battery on your boat. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Most boats have two batteries, a starting battery and a deep cycle battery. The starting battery sends power to the engine when the ignition switch is engaged, and the deep cycle battery powers your boat's electrical systems. Today I'll be changing the starting battery on this 2003 Sundancer, but procedures will vary from one boat to the next, so be sure to know the specifics for your boat before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. First, locate the battery on your boat. In our case, the battery is located in the back of our boat. Your battery may be located in a compartment that you may need to open to access the battery. Also, your battery may have an on-off switch. Make sure the switch is turned off until you install the new battery. If you have a hold down, go ahead and remove it. Now remove the cables from the battery post, starting with the negative cable. Set it aside someplace safe where it can't touch metal. Remove the positive cable. And set it aside. Once you're sure all cables are out of the way, carefully lift the old battery out and install the new battery. Make sure the new battery's posts are in the right orientation and lower it in place, making sure it's seated securely. Reattach the two cables, starting with the positive cable then the negative. Reinstall the lid and hold down if necessary, and make sure it's secure. If you had to access your battery through a compartment, make sure the cables are secure inside, then close the lid. If your battery had an on-off switch, switch it to the on position. Switch on an electronic device to test the battery. If the device works, the battery is properly connected. Since your boat is likely to go long periods of time without being started, keep a battery maintainer on hand and connected during stretches of inactivity so it's ready to go when you are. And that's it. Everything that you need for this and other jobs is available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.